Hi, hello, this is PGR and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. In the masala series, we're going to look into another masala. This is a popular masala in southern part of India and it is known as Sambar Masala. There are many varieties of sambar powders in southern part of India, but the main ingredient is always going to be the coriander seed. Today we're going to look into see my version of Sambar Masala. Let's get into the video. I have preheated a pan and we're going to add 4 teaspoons of coriander. We need to fry this in low flame. Once it is roasted, I'm going to move it to another container and allow it to cool down. Now goes the black gram. I've taken 2 teaspoons of black gram. One teaspoon of Bengal gram or chana dal. 1 teaspoon of Toor dal, or you also call it broken pigeon peas. We're going to fry this again in low flame. Roasting the grams would take some time. We need to roast till they turn light brown in color. Now it has started turning light brown in color. So at this point of time, I'm going to shift it to another container and allow it to cool. Now goes the third set of masalas. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of mustard, 6 to 7 numbers of Byadagi chili. Now this Byadagi chili will actually give you more of a color to your sambar powder. All these ingredients are going to crackle once they are heated up. Now that these ingredients are roasted, I'm going to move it to another container and allow it to cool down. Now the ingredients that we have fried have cooled down. Now at this point of time, we will add some more ingredients to it. 1 teaspoon of Hing powder or asafetida. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're going to grind this masala in a mixer jar. We're going to grind it into a fine powder. Your homemade sambar powder is ready. This sambar powder can be stored and you can use it whenever you're preparing a sambar. And if in case you missed the ingredients, please do find it in the description below and the method for preparation. Hope you liked my video. Please share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.